Well guys, this is it. 2 years, man. 2 years and we're going back home. Mazda house returns. Just cleaning up my little apartment and very echo. Alright, let's move. Let's go. Just like that, guess we're back. Day 3 of being back at the Mazda house. Been working in my room so I can start making content. The garage is gonna get renoed, but I've been building the room. I got one half of the desk and we're gonna go get the other half of the desk. Just gonna start making content again. Except the desktop that I'm getting is pretty much the length of my car. So let's go see how we're gonna deal with that. You can really fit a lot in these cars when you you can really put a lot in these cars when you remove the seat. Like, this is a big ass table, dude, but there's so much room in the trunk right now. So like any setup goes, when I move, obviously I put a lot of like planning and time into this stuff. Part of the move and building the setup also reminded me a lot about upgrading, changing. Now, funny enough, the only thing that's changed in my setup in the past like 4 or 5 years is the PC. Same monitors, oh, and the desk. Same monitors, same mouse, same keyboard, same mouse mat, same speakers. You don't need to upgrade everything, but kind of reminds me of my videos. We're on 4K nowadays. I'm still at 1080p. I think my videos have definitely been the same. So I think with this move and everything and this whole change is one of the big things that I'm going after is improving and not upgrading, but I guess you could say upgrading as well when it comes to content. I'd rather, instead of stick to a schedule, upload schedule, rather upload 2 times randomly a week, have awesome videos instead of rushed to get something done. Enjoy myself a bit more. The cars. Let's go take a look at the cars. It's been a while. It's been absolutely piss and rain since I moved back. There she is, sitting there in the rain, getting absolutely destroyed by nature. That's just what I like to see. It's everywhere, man. But look at that, eh? Look at that. These are outside. Oh, the angle though. Once the garage is kind of done, the Miata will probably be inside just because of the soft top. And then hopefully I'll get an enclosure out here so that can sit in it. Like, I spent so long cleaning this stuff before. Yeah, this is just nasty. Like, this stuff gets everywhere, dude. And yeah, obviously the Jeep. Jeep's over there, hanging out. Garage reno's in the rain. And the garage. Well, you guys remember this? There used to be like shelves that were here. Those are gone. I'm gonna tear this down. This is gonna be a whole ass project, and I'll complete this. I think for the most part, a lot of the first few videos that we're gonna be doing is just gonna be like reno. Not really reno, but like this garage, we're planning a huge reno with this garage. I'm super stoked. It'll enable us to have a car in here. It will enable us to be able to work on a car in here, because obviously, like you guys, it rains. It rains like crazy here. So we're gonna do like a ton of lighting, make it hopefully non-spider friendly. It's been like the mission the whole time I've been here. But yeah, I mean, like, it's a small garage, but I think there's definitely, I've had cars in here before, and it's a mess. I think that's something we can look forward to, is getting this all done and dealt with. Especially, I'm just stoked to have more lighting in here once that gets done, but trying to find a day where it's not raining outside, and then I can work on the cars. Got some stuff for the Mazda 3 that I have, and it's been waiting for a long time to do, so I'm pretty stoked. Well, that's the return. That's the garage. Like, I don't even want to know what's been crawling around that Rotella bottle. Anyways, guys, I think that's the video for today. I'm glad to be back and making content, and it's nice to be back here. It's just how I left it all, so I'm pretty stoked to see what we can come up with for the next month, and hopefully get a good start to the 2023 year, but it's game time. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down below. Other than that, until next time, I'll see you guys in the next one.